Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today as you see I am bringing you a 10-minute upper body dumbbell workout. This has got 10 different exercises, 50 seconds on and 10 seconds off, and 10 minutes of power packed upper body workout. All you need is a set of dumbbells. Again, don't take too heavy because we are going to do 10 minutes exercise without setting our dumbbells on the side. An open space to work out on, something soft to land, and don't forget your bottle of water in case you need it. So what are we waiting for? Let's go for it. Let's begin with the workout. Grab your dumbbells. Alright, open up your legs a little bit. Soft knees, hold your dumbbells in this position, and first up, lateral punches. Alright. Just keep breathing in and out. Remember, keep your core engaged, your hands engaged. Make sure those punches are nice and strong. We're going to do 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Alright, 10-minute upper body workout. We want to give it our all. Keep breathing in and out. Come on, let's do this together. You want strong upper arms, shoulders, and this workout is for you. Keep your core engaged. Excellent. Keep going. Okay, a few more. And last one. And relax. Shake off any tensions you have. Next up is lateral front raises. So again, soft knees. Right hands are there. And all we're going to do is lift and back down. Now remember, you do not want to go above your shoulder length level. Just this. Keep your core engaged. Soft knees. Alright? Nice and firm raises. Keep your hands engaged. Keep your core tight. Suck your belly button into the back. Alright, power lift up and down. Come on, keep going. Doing amazing. Keep breathing in and out. Few more. Come on. One last one. Up, down, and shake off. Shake off any tensions you may have. Keep hold on to your dumbbells. Next up, again, keep your knees soft. We're going to do alternating raises. So you're going to lift, down, lift, and down. Come on. Let's go. Remember, 15 seconds on, 10 seconds off. 10-minute workout. Let's give it our all. Don't go above your shoulder level. Now don't lift too heavy dumbbells. Lift with what you're comfortable because you're going to do 10 different exercises. And we're not going to put those dumbbells down until we are done. Alright? If you feel they're too heavy, just go ahead, pause the video, grab another one, and go for it. Keep pushing. Amazing. Keep going. Come on. One last. And shake off. Shake off any tensions you may have. Next up, simple bicep curls. Lock your elbows, and all you're going to do is a hinge movement of curling up your biceps in, muscles. Keep those knees soft. Do not keep it completely straight, just soft knees. Does the magic so the pressure doesn't come on your lower body. Amazing, come on. You're more than halfway there. Keep breathing in and out. Few more. And relax your shoulders. Alright. Set your one weight on the side. Keep holding on to your one weight. We're going to do tricep extension. Now lock your elbows. Only this movement, alright? Hold it behind. Alright, drop it down. Bring it up. Do not take your elbows forward and backward. Just lock your elbows. Tricep extension. Keep going. Keep your knees soft. Keep breathing in and out. More than halfway there. Feel the burn in your triceps. Keep breathing in and out. Keep your core engaged. Few more up. Come on, keep going. And relax. Shake off any tensions that you may have. Next up is bent over row. So what we're going to do is we're going to bend over our knees. Not forward, just here. Lock your knees here. In this position, butt in the back, hold yourself up and up, and pull. Just pull. Just lock yourself in there. Look at my knees, they're locked in. My butt into the wall behind. Power moves. Keep breathing in and out. So just stop here, halfway there. Nice powerful movements, yes? We don't want this, right? Keep your body engaged. Keep all your muscles engaged. Keep breathing in and out. Come on, just 2 more exercises after this and you're done. And relax, shake it off. Another one, again in the same position. So I'm going to show you the same position. Butt wall behind, put your legs. And we're going to do reverse fly. So just going to hold it. Right, lift. Now if you feel this weight is too heavy for you, set the weights aside, just twist it and do it. Breathe in and out. Keep your core engaged. Yes, amazing. I'm sure you're feeling the punch. Just one more exercise after this. Don't give up. You want those toned arms, back, upper body. Gotta work for it. Keep going. Few more. Last one. And relax. Shake it off. One last exercise. Well done. Don't just stop here. Get out of the floor. Lie down on your back. Suck those core muscles in. Grab your weights. Alright. And we're going to do floor press. Hands in the air, soft elbows. Bring it down, slightly touch it. Push. Slightly down. Push. Keep your core muscles engaged. Should work your pectoral muscles. Keep breathing in and out. Come on, this is the last exercise. Halfway there. Keep breathing in and out. You're doing amazing. Your weights on the side, come back up, and that's your powerful 10-minute upper body workout done. Phew! I hope you enjoyed this workout and you felt the burn in your arms, shoulders and back as much as I did. Remember, it is just a quick 10-minute workout. If you're pressed for time, if you are in a rush, you have no excuse. It's only 10 minutes. You can do this from anywhere, just an empty space, a set of dumbbells, and you are good to go. please do hit that subscribe button. It really encourages me and motivates me to, even work harder. And hit the bell icon. 2 new workouts every single week. No excuses anymore. Let's do this together. See you in the next one.